Welcome in the hands-on Spring Security course. My name is Tomasz Elek and I am a software engineer programming mostly in Java and Scala. I am a fan of microservices architecture and functional programming. I have also working with Spring Boot Up microservices on production from 5 years. So let's see what we will learn throughout this course. We'll start from creating application guarded by Spring Security. So we'll set up an application and security context. In the second section, we'll be creating custom authentications that stores credentials in database. In the third section, we'll be using OAuth 2 with Spring, so we'll see how to configure OAuth protocol and we'll also understand its flow. In the fourth section, we'll be creating custom authorizations rules that guard access to some resources. In the last section, we'll be preventing common attacks with Spring Security. There are a couple of prerequisites to this course. First off is understanding of Java and HTTP protocol. You need to have IntelliJ IDE installed and modern laptop or desktop. And this course is intended for Java and Kotlin developers who can build applications using Java and Spring framework and now want to secure their applications. No previous experience with Spring Security is assumed. Let's go through the key features. So we'll start from using Spring Security to secure your Spring service. You will understand OAuth 2 flow and integration with Spring App. You will make your app secure by preventing CORS and CSRF attacks.